Now down here, just about where the light is, we've got a USAF Globemaster coming in spraying us. So I have to keep an eye on him. He's heading towards the sun at the moment. The squeezy jet trail is just over the buildings. But this one spraying us coming towards us is, it's got a black and white trail over there. Somewhere over that way. You'll have to see it for yourself. It's getting thicker now, it's getting a shadow on it. United States Air Force again, you bastards. Right up at top of the lamp. My God, where is it? There we are. Oh, it's so bloody windy and cold. It's spraying the shit out of us, look at that. Even got a bloody shadow on him. Try and get out the wind here somehow. There you go. Can't see for bloody sun actually, but there you have it. United States Air Force going across the sun now. My God, I've never seen out like that. Look at the state of that trail. My God, that is terrible. There's another jet coming past. I can't see a pissing thing up there. That's got to be a hawk. I think. I can't see. Nice as well. But here we have him, United States Air Force Globemaster. I can't see a friggin' thing for the sun. Sorry. I'll try and get it in the car, it might be easier. Massive trail, United States Air Force, is just coming over us now. UK air raid. You bastards. United States Air Force. Noisy as well. There you go anyway. Right up at top. Now the jet I was trying to film actually was FRA jet, the regular here, but this one is the one that's just gone over spraying us, and it's a dirty, very dirty trail. It's a United States Air Force Boeing C-17A Globemaster 3, currently 34,000 feet, operator code RCH on here, flight RCH 983. Now these dirty kids, I don't know. UK government put up with this, you know, they allow it, they condone it. Sick people. Registration 02-1108 and his ICAO code is Alpha Echo 117 Alpha.